Candida here, and I was sent the Klobela Eye Massager in exchange for my honest review. Not only is it in a pretty pink color, it's FSA and HSA eligible, and it has heat. I love getting my face rubbed. I love having facial massages. I love all of that. And now I am able to get my head rubbed right here up top, and especially on the temple area here, every night by putting this mask on when it's time to relax and unwind. To turn it on, we just simply push the button, hold it down for a few seconds, and it's going to talk to us and let us know that it's on. It has 5 modes, and so I can simply push a button to change the modes. With the first mode, it's got a nice melody, and you can see the compression here. It will hold it for about 5 seconds and then release. If I want a different mode, I can just simply choose a different one by pushing the button. If I don't want the heat, I can change where there's no heat. I can also make it where there's no sound. There is not a volume button, and so if the music is too loud or I just need quiet time, no worries. It's got different modes, so I can choose what works best for me at that time. Not only are these a pretty pink color, but I love to put these on and relax. I like to have the compression on my face and it just really get in here, and I love the way it really gets in here and rubs the side of my head. So I hope you found the review helpful.